What is the cost of the wrong decision? Is it a day lost, a job, a kingdom, or is it something more, a piece of your soul bartered away to doubt, regret, and hesitation? Every man must choose, but not every man chooses well, and even fewer choose when it hurts. You have stood at the edge of decision before, a storm howling in your mind. Should you leave or stay, speak or be silent, fight or retreat? And in that moment, fear dresses up as logic, comfort whispers as wisdom, and you are led astray. This teaching is not for those who wish to feel good. It is for those who wish to see clearly. Here we do not flatter you with comfort. We arm you with fire. Watch until the final breath of this message, and you will learn the Stoic way of choosing, not with emotion, not with impulse, but with clarity forged in discipline, pain, and eternal principle. This is not motivation. This is resurrection. You struggle because your compass is broken. You measure decisions by outcomes, not by integrity. You want guarantees, but life offers none. You seek the path that hurts least, not the path that is right. And in doing so, you betray yourself. The Stoic knows that the best decision is often the most difficult, that to do what is right often means to suffer, and that clarity comes not from comfort, but from alignment with nature and reason. In this video, we explore the profound teachings of Stoicism on 10 ways to make the best decisions, even when they hurt, along with the practical steps you must follow to stay on the right path. Number 1. Accept that pain is not the enemy. If you seek truth, you must embrace difficulty. Truth and comfort are rarely allies. Epictetus. When pain arrives, most men retreat, but the Stoic advances. Pain is the gatekeeper of growth. It filters the weak from the wise. You cannot make great decisions if you treat pain as a sign to stop. It is often a sign to begin. Consider Disney. After being fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination, Walt Disney started a company that went bankrupt. He was betrayed, stolen from, laughed at, but he did not retreat. He chose to press forward despite the pain. The result? A legacy that has reshaped culture itself. Practice this daily. Choose discomfort intentionally. Delay gratification. Make decisions that stretch you, not just soothe you. Every hard choice made from principle strengthens your ability to see clearly in the storm. Number 2. Use reason like a sword. The essence of reason is to distinguish what is within our power from what is not. Marcus Aurelius. Do not decide based on feelings. They are weather, fleeting, shifting. Reason is your blade. Use it to cut away the noise. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If not, why do I act like it is? When Amazon first pivoted from books to a platform selling everything, it was not emotion but analysis that drove the move. Jeff Bezos made the decision despite criticism because it was grounded in reason, not approval. Now, Amazon has reshaped commerce itself. Write it down. List what you control. Cut away what you don't. Let that clarity guide you even when fear hisses in your ear. Number 3. Delay the decision, but not indefinitely. Take time to deliberate, but when the time for action comes, stop thinking and go in. Napoleon Bonaparte. Haste is the enemy of wisdom, but so is eternal delay. The Stoic ways, then moves. Waiting too long invites rot. Tesla delayed the release of key models to perfect their design. Not out of fear, but precision. But when the time came, they launched with ferocity. Every decision has a window. If you wait too long, the door closes. Set a deadline. Weigh your options. Then move like a blade through silk. Number 4. Measure by principle, not outcome. Do not ask if something will succeed. Ask if it is right. Musonius Rufus. You cannot control results. You can only control effort and alignment with your values. Make the decision that honors your highest principles, not the one that promises the smoothest ride. Sony chose to innovate even when it meant challenging industry giants. They launched products that failed. But their vision, to shape the future through technology, remained intact. And eventually, the world followed. What do you stand for? Write it down. Let it govern every choice, especially when it hurts. Number 5. Accept the price before you pay it. Do not be surprised when you suffer. You chose this path. Marcus Aurelius. Great decisions carry weight. Sacrifice, rejection, misunderstanding. If you decide well, people will not always applaud you. Prepare your soul in advance. Expect the wound. Embrace it. Airbnb faced lawsuits, backlash, regulatory chaos. The founders were ridiculed, but they accepted the cost in advance. They made decisions that aligned with their vision, even when the world scoffed. Do not complain about the pain of a decision you chose. Own it. Welcome it. Before we continue, understand this. You are now walking a path most never touch. If these teachings resonate with your soul, do not lose them. Subscribe now. Like this teaching, not for algorithm, but to plant a signal fire for those still lost. Number 6. Consult your death. Let death be before your eyes daily, and you will never choose wrongly. Epictetus. Imagine you are on your deathbed. Would you be proud of the decision you are making today? Most people ignore mortality. The Stoic uses it as a compass. Steve Jobs said remembering that he would die was the most powerful tool he used to make great decisions. He asked himself, if today were the last day of my life, would I do what I'm about to do? Practice it. Close your eyes. Imagine your final breath. Then ask, does this decision honor the man I wish to be remembered as? Number 7. Dissect your motive. The wise man acts, not reacts. Seneca. Why are you choosing this path? Is it duty or fear, integrity or pride? Many men pretend to choose from strength when they are merely avoiding discomfort. The Stoic peels back the layers. Google made hard decisions to discontinue beloved products. Why? Focus. Purpose. They did not act out of emotion, but vision. You must do the same. Before you decide, journal the motive. Is it clean? Is it noble? Or is it survival dressed as courage? Number 8. Surround yourself with truth warriors. Associate with those who will make you better. Epictetus. Do not seek advice from cowards or flatterers. They will mirror your weakness. Seek counsel from those who fearlessly choose the hard path. Their presence will clarify your own. HP in its early days thrived not because of brilliance alone, but because of culture. Engineers challenged each other. Decisions were made in the furnace of truth, not politics. Choose your circle like a warrior chooses weapons. They must be sharp. Number 9. Look for the timeless, not the trend. What is right is not always what is popular, and what is popular is not always right. Marcus Aurelius. Most people decide based on what others are doing. The Stoic decides based on what endures. When Epictetus chose to back athletes who were controversial, it was not a decision made for trend. It was based on legacy, values, and long-term impact. That decision cemented their identity. Ask, will this matter in 10 years, or is this a passing fire? Number 10. Trust your trained instinct. Freedom is the reward of discipline. Posidonius. Once you have cultivated discipline, your instincts become reliable. You do not need to overthink. You move with precision. The Stoic trains daily, so when the decision must be made, he does not flinch. Samson faced failure with the Note 7. They chose to recall, retool, and return stronger. They trusted their internal compass, built on decades of disciplined execution. Practice discipline in all things. Then trust the man you have forged. You now stand at the edge of yourself. This is the threshold where lesser men retreat. But not you, not now. Every decision you make shapes the man you are becoming, and now you know the way. If this teaching lit something ancient in you, guard it. Like this teaching to etch it into memory. Subscribe to walk this path with clarity, not confusion. And if you seek the next fire, watch the next teaching. There, we will walk through the Stoic art of emotional mastery and learn how to command the storms within. Until then, choose well, even when it hurts, especially when it hurts.